Hello. So this is basically my Tic Tac Toe project using C++ language. Um, this here is the code for it. The code inside the void print board function is for basically the outer appearance of the board, the structure of the board, and then we move on to the actual array. And then there's obviously the char player and the variable for the turn. The maximum number of turns is 9. And then here are our conditions. For example, if we enter anything other than a number, then it will print a message invalid, only numbers are allowed. And then we have the obviously the turn plus increment operator that will change the turn. Now we have the winning conditions. First, we have the condition for if our row is being completed. Then there is the condition for our column being completed. And then the last two if conditions are for the diagonals. Now I'll try to run this once. Here we have our board, our grid, then player access turn 0, 0. Here you can see it's at the 0, 0 position. Now I'll try 0, 2. As you can see, it's at the 0, 2 position now. And then I'll try to print something other than a number, hello, for example. And as you can see, invalid only numbers are allowed. Our condition is working properly. Then let's try something other than 0 and 2. 0 and 3 I'll use. Again, choose values between 0 and 2. Our condition is working properly. How about if we choose a negative value, 0 minus 2? And yes, our condition is working properly. We don't have a minus 2 value in the grid. Therefore, it will print an error message. Invalid, choose values between 0 and 2. Now let's continue our game. We'll choose 0, 1. Then let's try 1, 0. And for our last turn, we'll use 2, 0. And yes, as you can see, our diagonal grid for 0 has been made, and we get the message, congratulations, player wins. And that is it for our project. It's an easy game that can be played by any age group. Thank you.